Faculty of Engineering and Technology is one of the 9 faculties at UB. The faculty comprises 5 academic departments spread into various fields of engineering, the built environment, and design. These departments are architecture and planning, civil engineering, electrical engineering, industrial design and technology, and mechanical engineering. We also house a few research centers, being the Clean Energy Research Center, the Transportation Technology Transfer Center, and a recently approved center called the Engineering and Technology Innovation Center, which is, however, still under establishment. The faculty trains students in the above-mentioned areas at bachelor's degree, Master of Science degree, Master of Philosophy degree, as well as PhD levels. And we normally have an enrollment of about 10% of the total UB enrollment, so that is about 1,500 students at the moment. Of those, about 1/3 would be female students. Most of the undergraduate students of the faculty are admitted after passing first year of Bachelor of Science. However, a few programs at the faculty admit directly from O-level. But all our students are science, technology, engineering, and mathematics-based students. The faculty is involved as well in research, as well as professional and community service activities that involve engaging with the stakeholders and colleagues from beyond the university in order to exchange knowledge and expertise. With regard to our teaching activities, we offer about 11 undergraduate programs spread across 5 departments. These are programs in architecture, urban and regional planning, Bachelor of Industrial Design, Bachelor of Design and Technology Education, programs in civil engineering, mining engineering, mineral engineering, geomatics, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, and industrial engineering. We also offer, of course, training at master's, Master of Philosophy, and PhD levels across the areas that I have identified. With regard to the projects that are found in the faculty that are related to STEM, I can say that all our projects are STEM related. Across all the 5 departments, every year, final year students in the different departments engage in final year projects. Most of the projects are geared towards addressing problems identified in the community. This could be problems that could be solved through design, through manufacturing or fabrication projects in the areas of architecture, engineering, or industrial design. There can also be projects related to urban planning or geomatics. Our graduate students and staff also engage in research projects that try to advance knowledge in their various fields. These projects are also based on and geared towards solving identified problems in the society, both locally and globally. Our staff at the faculty also continually engage with their peers and stakeholders nationally and globally to exchange knowledge and to collaborate. In terms of the major research projects across the faculty, I can identify a few major projects that the staff of the faculty have been involved in. The first one is the COVID-19 Respite Products Project. When the COVID-19 broke out early last year, a team from the faculty worked on the development of several medical devices and other solutions in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The products designed include a face shield, respirator hood, nebulizer mask, and a ventilator. There's also a web map visualization and live tracking dashboard that records data to illustrate real-time trends of information on COVID-19 cases in Botswana. While prototyping of the other product is ongoing, the face shield was successfully completed and sold over 6,000 units. There's also a biofuels research project where a research team from the faculty is involved in turning low-grade oil materials such as beef tallow, that is waste from beef taken from the BMC, such as used cooking oil, such as oil plants from our indigenous plants across the country. These materials are collected and converted to biodiesel that can be used to power various vehicles as well as to produce energy in the country. This project has been successfully conducted, and biodiesel production has been ongoing for a while in the faculty and used successfully to run vehicles. Another project that I can mention is to do with the development of various medical implants using additive manufacturing technology or 3D printing. This is a new technology that can be used to develop very intricate implants and sophisticated components of a machinery. And the project has been ongoing with collaboration of B3 and the Central University of Technology of South Africa. Another project that I can refer to is a project that is to do with recycling of waste tires to produce rubber products that can be reused in tiling, in building construction, in pavings. This is a project that has been conceived recently, and it is ongoing with a view to eventually establishing a plant that can be used to convert waste tires that are normally dumped in our landfills and convert them into useful building materials. Another important project is a project that has to do with the limits and benefits of land rights titling and registration in communal land territories. So this is an ongoing project that has one of the objectives is to explore and analyze the limits, benefits, and impacts of titling and registration of customary land rights in the country. Finally, another major project in the faculty has to do with the future resilience for African cities and lands. This project involves a partnership between University of Botswana through our Department of Architecture and Planning, together with the Gaborone City Authority and the University of Cape Town, to build the city resilience to climate change. Other research activities within the faculty includes projects that are to do with studying the impacts of anthropogenic and climate variability influences on semi-arid surface water reservoirs in the country. This is conducted at our Department of Civil Engineering. We have project activities around renewable energy systems, around clean energy. We have projects around water and sanitation systems, manufacturing systems, productivity improvement, mechanization, and innovative technologies. The faculty participates in career fairs and STEM awareness activities. It participates in national exhibitions and fairs such as the Botswana Business Fairs and HRDC fairs. It conducts visits to secondary schools to promote STEM. We are involved in adopted school programs. We are also involved in supporting and encouraging student clubs around the faculty, where the hope is that such students can then reach out to their younger peers in secondary schools, and that way there can be peer-to-peer knowledge transmission. We also participate in career guidance and counseling of several secondary schools across the country. The faculty plans to continue to improve in all its different mandates of teaching, research, and engagement. In this endeavor, we shall be guided by the new UB strategy, which, among others, positions the university as an engaged university going forward. We will be intensifying our engagement with the communities outside the university, who are the key stakeholders in all our activities. Whether it is our teaching, our research, or research communication, or our professional and community engagement activities. Key amongst these stakeholders will be the potential students in schools, who we will continue to engage in order to promote STEM education in the country. We have recently started setting up what we refer to as the Engineering and Technology Innovation Center. Through the center, we intend to assist students, staff, and innovators from outside the university to do some of the following activities: to provide technical and technological expertise in product or service design and development, to provide a platform for innovators to sketch and model their creative and innovative ideas, to provide facilities for fabrication and prototyping of ideas, provide services for designing customized solutions for clients, commercialize designs produced in the center, assist in registering designs produced in the center with companies and intellectual property authority, to facilitate the formation of spin-off companies or licensing of designs to manufacturing companies, to conduct short courses, for example, on design, services, technology, information, etc.
As a learning institution, we take pride in being part of our students becoming what they set out to be: scientists, business people, entrepreneurs, decision makers, nation builders. This is not just a university. Its history is steeped in a people that invested in education, boasting a vast portfolio matched by no other institution in the country, and promoting diversity, inclusivity, and equal opportunity for all. We truly prepare our students to take on the world. So what are you waiting for?